Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to make some broccoli curry. So I have a little bit of oil, asafoetida and chili. And I'm going to use this frozen broccoli, 2 packages, and my rice here pretty much done. And my lentils here cooking. So here I have my onion, ginger, garlic roasted, and to that I'm going to put my broccoli. So as you can see, I have put my broccoli and my salt, turmeric, garam masala and vegetable masala powder. And I'm going to cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes till they're done. Here's my broccoli curry and it's amazingly tasty. So here's my broccoli curry and my yellow peas, lentils, and my rice. So this is a simple meal. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.